Hello guys, this is Raising Boys with Glado the nutritionist. I want to make some cupcake, guys. I want to make some cupcakes, and I started by preheating my oven, guys. It's at 180 degrees. I've started by preheating. So come on guys, let's move together. So guys, I'll start by measuring sugar. And I'll be making I'll measure 250 grams of sugar, 250, or 200 grams of sugar. Yes guys, and I'll also measure 200 grams of margarine, 200 grams. Yeah guys, it's at 212. I'll put the margarine there, and then I'll put my sugar, guys, and I'll mix thoroughly. So guys, this is a very simple process of making a cake or a cupcake. So I've used 200 grams of sugar and 200 grams of margarine, and I want to mix the two ingredients together. So guys, what I'll put next is the eggs, and I'll be using the six eggs. Yes, I'll use 6 eggs. So one by one I'll break. I won't be breaking them all together at the same time, because at the same place, because you never know, there could be one that has gone bad. So I'm breaking one by one as I put inside there. So this is a quick step, guys, a very quick step of making cupcakes. So yes guys, so we have eggs in there, and I'll continue mixing. Like that, guys. So this is how it looks like. That is how it looks like. So I'm gonna measure 500 grams of flour. 500 grams of flour. I reset it. So $500 grams of flour. No, I'll put 400 grams, because initially I wanted to put 250 grams of margarine and 250 grams of sugar, but I changed, so I'm using 400 grams, twice what we used for sugar and margarine. And there I'll put some baking powder. Yes guys, so that I'll seal together. And I'll put about one tablespoon of baking powder, guys. So, and I'll sieve. So inside here I'm sieving the flour, guys, together with the baking powder, so that to increase the aeration and also to sieve the, you see guys, flour normally has some unwanted dirt, so I'll mix well, and if the consistency is not what I want, I'll add some milk. Yes, as you can see guys, it is already too hard, so I'll add some milk. Yes, I'll add some milk little by little, like that. Yes guys, and I'll add more. And some more, like that guys. So guys, we are making some cupcakes. We are making some cupcakes. This is a very simple process. A very simple process. Yes, very, very simple. So I may decide to add some vanilla essence, or this is pineapple guys, that is pineapple essence. Yes, for flavor. I don't want to have that the taste of eggs. Yes, so it smells nice. Smells so nice. So guys, have you seen our mixture? That is our mixture, and I'm coming with the guys, I don't have those two papers that hold the cupcakes, so I'll be dusting my cupcake tin. Yes guys, and let me show you how I do it. That is some blue band. You may decide to use your hand. My hands are clean, so I want to be fast enough, so I've decided to use my hands like that, and then I'll dust with some flour, like that. Don't worry about the amount, I just want to dust the whole thing, and then I'll put it back to where it belongs. I'll put the flour back to its storage. So guys, there is my tin, cupcake tin, and I want now to put the mixture, and this is how I'll do it. I don't want to waste a lot of time, so I'm putting a lot, so they will obviously overflow. Yes guys, but I want to take a shortcut. It's at night guys, it's at 1 a.m. in the morning. I've not slept yet, so I don't want to take a lot of time because the boys will be going to school tomorrow. I have to wake up and prepare them for school. So yes guys, now we put them in the oven guys. So bye for now. Thank you guys for watching. Those are our cupcakes and they're yummy, healthy too guys. So for you and your children's snacks guys, order a packet of 10 goes for 100 shillings. So one piece is 10 bob guys. So karibu guys, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel guys for more recipes. Bye.